Tinubus defeat lose 2027 as US president announced his replacement. Now, wow, now Donald Trump, now they talk this one. Oh. I was even shocked myself when I heard that this is coming from Donald Trump himself. All right, my dear listeners, I greet you all this very day. This is the Lord TV. Yes, I tell you, I say we dey fight the political matter and we go fight them to the finish. Already. Yes, it only happened. And as it is right now, what is going on in this very country is very unbelievable. I can tell you that you will be treated almost like the same way the people uh, the people are being treated in Aso Villa. Can it be possible? Oh my God, it cannot be possible because why? Because the country that we are in is a country that only give preference and respect to those on top. All right, as it is right now, Donald Trump, the president of the United States, have said no room for Tinubu come 2027 as his replacement already is before him. Who could it be? Has it been mentioned? That is one thing everyone is vying and agitating to know. According to the US President Donald Trump, Nigerians is facing tough times. And this very tough time is enough reason for Nigerian to do away with the current administration and embrace a new person in power. Donald Trump has gone straight to announce Tinubu out of office, um, warning Nigerians to succumb to a new government because only this a new government can save the country from the current state and also save the country from the mayhem and crisis that the country is currently in. I pity Nigerian and I pity the people. What is happening uh, is never experienced, but we will see how the whole thing will work out. But we just need to be calm and keep watching until more fact or reality is exposed. The President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, till this very moment, I don't really know what he has said on this part, but I know that Tinubu likely will not take it lightly, and also we on his own begin to work things out to save his administration because he have said it that this 2027 is for him and no other person. He even went as far as making it very clear to the public that anyone coming in to challenge him for 2027 will be wasting his time. But now that the US President Donald Trump has gotten himself involved and is assuring him of defeat, so what are we saying? My dear people, I begin to wonder what kind of human being is this man called Tinubu. You can see when when a world power is talking and someone like Tinubu is challenging the world power, it means that there is something attached to his confidence. Hmm. Yes, so something is attached, and that thing need to be questioned. It need to be questioned. Anyway, let me quickly hear from you, and then let's know the way forward. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and also comment on this very video.